Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Purito Wonder Relief Centella Toner Unscented. This product retails for $24. Full disclaimer, Purito did reach out and send me this product, but that will not impact my opinion on it. I've been wanting to try the entire reformulation of Purito's Centella line because I know they had this product out before, but I just never came around to trying it. I think they added more of a concentration of Centella in this product. I'm not sure the full details of everything they've changed with it. I really love their unscented serum, which I think that was a newer product. Going into this, just know I won't be able to fully compare it to the original formulation, but I am still wanting to try this out as a brand new product for me. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The main things I'll be looking for with it include what finish does it leave on the skin, how does it perform for my skin, is it more of a layering toner or is it good to just stand alone? It is colder outside when I'm trying this out, so sometimes I need to layer on more hydrating toners, but I want to see how this product feels. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in and also my first impression with this toner. This is one of Purito's best sellers, so I'm very excited to try it and see how it performs. So it comes out very lightweight. You are able to control how much you get out. And it seems to be not leaving any finish on the skin whatsoever, which I'll see how it feels on my face, but I've seen a lot of people talking about how lightweight this toner is, so I am excited to see how it layers. You're really able to control how much you get out of it. You kind of can squeeze the packaging because it is plastic. Feels really nice, light, and refreshing going on the skin. It is a little bit colder when I'm trying this out, but with some of the ingredients in here, I feel like it could be good for the summertime, specifically for me. That is typically when I like to go for more lightweight and more pore reducing toners. Not that that's labeled this, but with some of the ingredients, that's kind of what I'm getting from it. It feels very nice. It feels soothing and light and refreshing going on the face. Doesn't leave much of a finish, just a little bit of a dewy glow, but I bet that will fade based off how lightweight this toner feels. That's about all I can tell you right now. It doesn't have any fragrance because obviously I got the unscented version, and also it just feels really nice going on the skin. Super lightweight so far, so I'm gonna continue using it, see how it wears, and see what else I notice with my skin, and then I'll check in again. I'm about to give you all my final thoughts on this toner. It was extremely lightweight. I feel like mostly combination to oily skin will love it the most, but as someone who is acne prone and on the days where I didn't need as heavy of hydration, I felt like this was amazing. It was definitely more internally hydrating though. So you're not gonna get that instant, like really glowy look with this product, which I did try it out during the colder months. There are some days where the weather fluctuates or my skin will be a little bit more oily, and that's when I enjoyed this product the most. I also love this product for its simplicity and its soothing benefits. I would definitely recommend the unscented personally, but I am glad that they offer both scented and unscented options. I did love with this product though how lightweight it was and how easily layerable it was. I feel like that is the biggest standout, and also the amazing soothing ingredients they had in here. I felt like this product was helping to keep away some acne and breakouts. It definitely didn't cause any, and I feel like it helped to treat some of the acne that I get, and it was a very soothing product to complement skincare actives as well. I love the entire Centella line because I feel like they are kind of designed to treat acne in more gentle ways, and I noticed that to be true with this toner. I'm also a huge fan of their serum. I feel like both of them may not be necessary in a skincare routine. I definitely need to evaluate after I finish this product if I will repurchase this or the serum, because I just personally prefer the serum texture. It's a little bit thicker, a little bit more nourishing, but that could just be when I tried both of these. The toner, obviously, completely different texture, very watery, very lightweight, practically not even there, but more internally hydrating and a seamless way to deliver soothing benefits to your skin. And if you're looking for that, that's ultimately when I would recommend this product. When you're just wanting something either layerable or you're wanting something barely even there for your skin, because there definitely is a need for that in the skincare market. And the unscented version was a super simple formula that I felt like worked well for my skin. So I would 100% recommend trying it. I didn't notice anything negative with this product during my review. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe, because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.